Okay, still at Durango. Wifey sees her old friend, Chili Man. $100 in. Say hello to him. Say hello, Chili Man. She said her hellos. Now she's gonna say, give us money. Are you betting max or whatever it is?
Yeah.
Okay, she's doing for the respin feature.
Oh, I accidentally put $9.
Oh, $9 is fine.
Oh,
She accidentally bid $9, she said.
that would have been a good $9.
That would have been a good $9 one. Yes, it would have.
Come on.
Ooh, okay. Oh,
There's a bar.
these are the progressives right here. We want all of these. That is what we want. 2 cents, yeah. Why not? Oh. Aw. Say hello, Chili Man. Say hello back.
No, he doesn't like me.
He doesn't like it. Maybe go to the next door one, huh? Oh, nice. Okay. 40 cents. Okay, never mind. 1 cent. Yeah, that's an interesting line. I love how the lines show up on these screens. It looks so cool. Ooh, okay. Multiplier would have been nice, but still take it. Okay, there's a multiplier. Say hello, Chili Man. He is shy. Come on, come on, come on. Drop it in there. Oh, respin, yeah, that's right. Multiplier, I think is gonna be bigger than the progressive. Oh,
my gosh.
Say hello. Respin. Respin? Oh no, it doesn't give a respin because that's not an actual like progressive thing, I guess. Whatever. Okay, real life respin.
Wow.
Tell him you're here. Mr. Chili Man, we're here to say hello. Don't be rude. That's his brother over there. His brother. Mm. 2 cents.
The bar. We don't need the bar.
We don't need the bars. There we go. That's something. Okay, $6. Come on, Chili. Chili Mania.
7.
The 7s are coming back to haunt you again, like last time. See, it changes the. Oh, that's good. It's very good. It changes the progressives you see when you're betting different. At the top, it shows like how much different it's going. It increases it a lot because the other one was way smaller. Very good. See, now they drop a decent amount.
7, 7, 7.
Oh my gosh, middle one. Okay. Have we ever got one of these progressives? I don't think so. Ooh, okay. There we go. So the white ones are the middle highest. Green is the lowest. Red is the best. This one is the middle. Okay, thank you, Chili Man. Come on, Chili Man. Say hello. You still shaking while you're doing it? Aw. Mind you, we've been saying. Oh, that's the bottom 2x. I wonder what just get multipliers. That's kind of crazy. If you just got it, that would have been
I
really.
don't think you can.
Yeah, I don't think you can. It had to be that bar. It's not even on there yet. One more multiplier. Come on, Chili Man. We're trying to get lunch. Ooh,
Oh my god.
that one. That was the wrong one. We're betting $3.60 here. These little $40 wins aren't gonna do much for us. What's max? $9? Yeah.
$9.
Okay. Oh, come on, just drop it in there. We've done it enough. Respin. Okay, come on, multiplier. Okay, not terrible. Better than like 3 rows of bars. It likes to give it to you on the $1 cent, the $1 denomination. Sorry, the $1 bets. Okay, maybe it's heating up now. You can do it, Chili Man. Tell his friend. On multiplier.
What would that have been? It was different colors?
Yeah, that's it's right there, yeah.
$30.
Yeah. No. If it was full, one of them was peeking off the reel. Yeah, it has to be like full, like fully on the 3 lines. You know, they're like some of them are peeking, so it just counts as 1 line. But if they're every single line hits. See, that's 1 low. Come on, Chili Man. Play your maracas.
Every time I click him, he gives me the bars.
If you have a lot of other bars and multipliers to go with it, it's fine. Okay, 20 cents, thank you. 20 whole cents. What was that white one? 150, yeah. Okay. Okay. Multiplier would have been better, but still. This is a hit.
That's a baby one.
The baby hit. I don't want your baby hit. Do it again. Come on, Mr. Chili Man.
Your original versions were better.
This respin one is a little bit stubborn. 20 cents, magic. Multiplier. Okay.
That was when I played a 1 cent.
Yeah. 1 cent maybe where it's at. It's just stupid middle bar. Oh, that's good. That's a
1
full. Yeah. Well, it's 1 cent, but it's a 180. You're saying, yeah. Okay, $9. That would have been really nice with the red 7s in the beginning.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Again, that middle one keeps interfering with the fun. Well, he's not in the middle anymore, he's on the right. He's still interfering. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Thunder drums. Okay, maybe it's heating up now.
It's still like $2.
Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if it just like is not down to pay on the smaller bets or whatever. When you catch it on a pay schedule, when it's on the payout schedule, it pays out big even on the smaller bets. So,
Oh.
come on. Yeah, there we go.
What does that mean?
I don't know. $450?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's the biggest.
That's the biggest one she got. Yeah, Chili Man.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh no, I missed it.
You stopped this party a little bit fast, but there we go. Oh, respin too.
That was crazy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, good job. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, nice.
Wow.
That respin was crazy. All right, that'll make lunch a little bit tastier. Lunch on you today. Okay.
One more then?
Yeah,
Or-
just do what you do one more, whatever you want. Yeah, the back to back. We went through so much. Oh,
Cash out immediately.
cash out immediately, and that is how you lock up a win.
Wow.
Okay. Wow, Mr. Chili Man. Okay, show the friends. Boom. Yeah. Good job, buddy.